Hello, this is Tarek with a video about the A.O. Smith water pump heater, water heater, hybrid water pump heater. As you can see, it's the 80 gallon. I have it in my garage after changing. I've been deciding to change to solar. So I'm using heating pump also for the heating cooling of the house, and I canceled the vent for the gas, so no more gas, it's all electric. It's an 80 gallon system. I have it for about 2 months now. As you can see, it's on now, heating the water. It sucks the hot air from above and emits the cold air from here. Now this thing, I did it, it's my own invention. I sensed soon after installation that the cold air coming from here is being sucked back into the hot, and that doesn't help. So I bought this from Home Depot or Lowe's, I forgot, and I got it in such a way that the cold air that comes goes down with gravity and has little chance of being sucked in and recirculated, so that this becomes more efficient. So far it's been working well. Give you a close about how much energy costs a year. So 80 gallons is the biggest size it comes in. It's an 80 gallon. And the specifications are here. So it is A.O. Smith residential heat pump water heater for indoor use only. So obviously you can imagine in Southern California, this garage will become extremely hot. And so I opted to get this to cool down the garage as well heating the water and saving on electricity. If you have any questions or any comments, please include them. I just want to share a personal experience here. Okay, take care everybody.